What's up, y'all? It is Anaya. I am back with another, I don't know what y'all think this is, but disclaimer. I am a makeup artist and esthetician, but apparently y'all like when I come on here and eat. That's kind of suspect to me, but whatever. Y'all gonna see a face while we do eat. Okay, so book Creole Creations Cosmetics, MUA Makeup Champ. Okay. Period. Okay. And of course, before we get started, we're gonna light up this oregano real fucking fast. I hate these lighters. Oh my god. Y'all don't talk about my blunt. It's like the most. Damn oregano. Fuck. Vic, I need a lighter. Fuck. This shit blowing me. Nigga had to put the blunt down to light the fucking lighter. Cinnamon water, prosperity and abundance. I'm a rich bitch. I act like it. God bless the truth. Okay, so I ordered off Uber Eats from this African place that's so fufu. I don't know if y'all can see the damn fufu, but this is the fufu. Oh fuck, this is the fufu. Oh, this is the Egusi soup. Y'all, I'm excited. I never had this shit before. I don't want it to fall, but this is the soup. Oh. Yes. But first. Hopefully I can eat all this. A lot of people say fufu tastes like mashed potatoes. My sister says it smells like baby food. Let's see if I can eat all of this. This is my first time ordering from this restaurant, so I didn't order a whole lot of stuff. But hopefully it's good, cause nigga, this is $33 fucking dollars. Like, I know I'm gonna have more than 33 fucking likes on this damn video. Shit. Okay. Let's try. I slap the fufu. I eat the fufu. It's like potato-y. This. Let's see if I can. Wait. What? This shit is good. I had to bring the camera back. Cause this shit is good. The Egusi is so good. Oh my god. Oh shit. This is why I don't wear clothes, but black. Yeah, excuse me if y'all had something. That's my little sister. Oh my god. But yeah, this is the fufu. It kind of made like a little like crust on top, but like once I get into the center, this is how it looks. I found I wish I could eat all this. This shit is so fulfilling. We got like greens, oxtail. About a 10 out of 10. Shit is rolling. But my daughter gave me a dimple. I think that's the cutest thing ever. Like, I thank God every day for her. So I got this shit all over my shirt. Oh my God. But shit. I'm glad I didn't order a lot of food. I'm full. I need more right now. Oh my God. I'm gonna try to eat as much as I could because I really didn't eat all day because I was like, I'm gonna do this video. I'm gonna do this mukbang. I'm gonna sit in front of here and discuss this look and eat a Egusi and fufu. It's so good. And I even make a dent in it all the way, like, oh my God. It's kind of spicy, but it's that spicy, like, after you stop eating it, then you realize it's getting spicy. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Got my cinnamon water. Okay, pulse. Let me wait. This shit is good though. I would order it again. I would say that. And I do not promote only smoking, but I have ADHD and it is my medicine. Okay. So yeah, that's why I know when they legalize this shit, it's lit. But okay, let's take a break from the fufu for a second. I'm gonna finish eating. But let's talk about this mug. Okay, this face provided by me. Like, this shit is gorgeous. Like, I love this eye makeup I did, and I love these eyelashes. And I'm using my setting powder, my foundation pressed powder in shade Natural and Almond to bake and set my under eyes. That's why it looks like so blurred out. I be telling y'all sleep on Creole Creation Cosmetics. I'm telling y'all. But be sleep though. Continue to be sleep. Shit. Oh, I'm getting lit. It's litty. Hopefully I can eat the rest of this food though. You know. How's everybody doing? Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Wait, hold on. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. That's just spicy. That shit was spicy. Oh shit. I like the Egusi over the fufu though. Real shit, like the fufu is like, you know, Eh. But this Egusi shit, I'm fucking with it. I really am. I might. Right now. What's in this shit? This is delicious. Oh. But, yeah. Y'all, I need my subscriptions to go up there, like, for real. Like, y'all need to like, comment, and subscribe, and share my videos with y'all aunts, y'all mamas, y'all grannies, y'all employees, co-workers, colleagues, whatever. Like, share my shit. Like, why the fuck not? Shit, I gotta do so much shit. I'm just taking a little intermission break right now. I'm currently in the process of moving right now. I told y'all, baby steps, but wanted to take a little lunch break, you know, work and eat. You know, you gotta work to eat, so I was like, let me order something to eat. In the meantime, let me just record this because I haven't filmed for y'all in like 3 weeks. Like, I started showing like, oh my god. I was really back to back with that. Oh my god, but life is lifing. So but it's all love though, like, it's good. Shit, I don't think I'm really eating this food, y'all. This is so much food. But I don't want to eat that shit because that's a sin. I don't like that. But y'all, period. Egusi, I'm gonna put the name of the restaurant that I did order from. I do live in Louisiana though, so that's that disclaimer. But this food 10 out of 10. Yeah. Table. Oh my god. How old am I? See that is cheap. But life update, what's going on? Currently in the process of moving. Gotta clean up and back up in here. This is, you know, a part of my transition for my big move that I'm doing next year. But moving, I like moving and stuff like that, you know. But I like the new space and everything like that. But the process of moving all my stuff, like, goodness. But it's like, I don't know, I'll be low-key, God bless the middle passage or whatever. Like, I be low-key on my Buddhism shit, so I'll just be like throwing away buku shit. Like, I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna get it back. As long as I get it back. As long as I get it back. Watch, I'm gonna get the munchie and want some more food. Because that was just all the hunger. But watch, I'm gonna get the fetching munchies. Well, I can't talk right now. I'm gonna get the munchies and I'm going to this fucking fufu, African food up. Like, yes. I think I'm going to Jamaica, y'all. I'm making a plan for it. Me and my girls are discussing it. I think we're going to get some limestone massages in Jamaica. I hope to God I can film and just show y'all that. But you know, I'm a mommy and I got a budget. I got to run a business. I got to work, you know. It's a lot, you know. I am a real mamapreneur. Like, entrepreneurship is my middle name. Like, I joked out. My middle name is Neil, and that's why I call myself a Nile, because, like, duh. But, whew, shit. Let me know what y'all want me to film next or what y'all want to record. I really thank y'all for the support and love that y'all show to my business YouTube. Thank you so much for following Creations Beauty. Yeah. Y'all, I love being an esthetician. I really think becoming an esthetician was like the best thing I like really done with my career. Like, you know, it elevated my makeup artistry, and like I also grew a passion for aesthetics. Like, yeah. YouTube, do not monetize this video. I am not promoting. But I am a holistic herbalist type girl. That just sounded good. Y'all, I wonder how long this video gonna be. Y'all, this hair is really lasting so long. This is provided by the Instant Slay Store, the hair blesser. Installed this closure sew in. I love it. This is 20 inches. I love it. I am flipping the parts, you know, because it is like a closure, but it's a wide closure, so I could do like a side part, middle part, whatever. But yeah, thank you, mama. So I hate TikTok, so I really be on TikTok for hours and hours. And it's me who gets to follow. Ooh, shit. I really do taste like mashed potatoes though. This is an interesting texture. But I think the process and how it made is so beautiful. Like even how like the Africans can make like the shea butter and the soap and like the fufu, like everything that they do organically is so beautifully. Wow. I'm gonna smoke this down and then I'm getting off here because like I got shit to do. Places to go, people to see. I got shit to do. But more of the story is subscribe to my YouTube channel, Creations Beauty. I am an esthetician. Yeah, I am licensed in the state of Louisiana. So hit your girl up. I do eyelash extensions, makeup, and facial. So ching ching ching, come the money tree, okay? Every time it chings, money comes to me. But yeah, oh shit, smoke just got in my eye. Oh my god. Uber, you're too fucking high. I'm tired of spending all this money. But support the business, I know, but give a bitch a discount code or something. Nigga don't want a promo pass to buy that shit for real. Like, help me. Help me. Uber. Yeah, but I am Makeup by Night. Y'all can follow me on MUA Makeup Champ on Instagram. I know I changed my makeup name a lot, but I'm sticking with this one, MUA Makeup Champ. I like how it has like a flow to it. You know, it's easy to say, easy for people to comprehend. Okay, makeup artist, MUA Makeup Champ, MUA Makeup Champ. Okay, yeah. Then Creole Creations Cosmetics LLC. That is my aesthetics products and services on there. Yeah. if y'all want to find me on personal page, y'all gotta go do that own research on your own. Cause I've been told y'all what my personal page is, but I don't follow people on my personal page. That's just how I am. Ask God. Yeah. All right, y'all.